What's going on, guys? It's Robo, by the way, and I'm back with another video today on my 335Is. So, for y'all that don't know, I'm a big fan of custom carbon fiber parts, and today we've got some new F80 style grills for my E92. These grills are finished in a really nice carbon fiber gloss black finish. It just looks absolutely stunning, and I think it's going to really complement the car. Honestly, I'm so excited to get these installed. Let's get right into it. Alright, so guys, getting right into it, there's about 4, I believe, kind of screws right here. And the best way that I recommend you get them off is an Allen wrench or a hex key, however you want to use the terminology for it. So we're going to go ahead and take these 4 out, and we're going to reach behind the bumper. And I believe there's 6 clips on each grill that we're going to have to remove so that we can pull these old grills out and put the new ones in. All right, now that we've got all 4 of these unscrewed, we're gonna be able to bend the bumper up a little bit and reach back here to undo some of these clips. All right, so right now we've got the bottom 3 out, and we're gonna work on getting these top 3 out. This is fairly simple to do with your hands, but if you don't want to and you feel like it's a lot of pressure, you can use a flathead screwdriver to kind of push the clips down and out. And there's 3. Awesome. So that was fairly simple to remove that one grill right there. We're gonna get going on to the second one, and then we're gonna snap in these new F80 style grills. So the best way that I found to do it just now to remove these front grills is to basically hand push these bottom clips. And you can do it, I mean, they're pretty strong. I mean, it's plastic, but they're pretty strong. You can hand push these bottom clips up, but these, using a flathead, made it really easy to go left to right on the top. And then those came out very nice and easy. I am gonna get a rag and kind of clean this up a little bit before we install the new grills, because I don't wanna leave it dirty just to install these new ones. All right, guys, so I kind of just cleaned it off a little bit, wiped it down, made sure that we've got a nice smooth surface to work with for installing these new grills. Now, I believe with these grills, we can literally just fit them and push in the clips. Oh my God, that's like perfect fitment. Oh my God. That looks so nice. Oh my God. That is about as good fitment as you're gonna be able to get with carbon fiber. I mean, especially mass ordered carbon fiber. Like, I'm not gonna try and fool anybody. This is not some custom carbon fiber made just for my car, but holy does that look good. I'm about to give y'all a front shot of that, and you're gonna check out how good this thing looks. Wow, that was one of the easiest installations I've ever done. That looks phenomenal. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, this has to be one of the easiest mods I've ever done to my BMW 335Is. Perfectly good fitment. It's absolutely perfect. Like, as good as it can get. It's beautiful. This carbon finish looks so good. The weave is absolutely beautiful. The gloss black F80 style in the middle looks so good. It completely transforms the car. Big shout out to Rush Customs for sending me these. I know Mashimaro has some as well. Those are 2 people that I really trust in the industry to get you some good quality pieces. And I mean, for real, guys, this is some awesome carbon work right here. All right, guys, we're gonna finish screwing back in the front bumper. It looks so good, man. Let's just zoom in a little bit. Look at those grills, man. Absolutely stunning piece of carbon right there. It completely changes the look of this car. Wow. Let me know down in the comments if you think it looks better with these grills or if it was better with the stock. I don't know that anyone will choose stock. I don't think it looks as good as this does. This looks absolutely phenomenal. It's breathtaking. I mean, I'm so excited to drive around with this. I mean, it's so pretty. This is gonna look so great in photos. This is just absolutely wonderful. I'm so excited. And that'll probably be the end of the video, so if you did enjoy, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on the grills. Let me know if you like tutorials like this on installations and stuff. It's really good for me to teach myself as well as teach you guys how to do stuff like this. Pretty simple install, one of the easiest I've done for sure. Super happy with how it turned out, and I can't wait to show y'all some more content with this car. Big things coming, I'm telling y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching.